This right here, it's my mama's meatloaf. Simple, moist, full of flavor, and easy enough. My daughter made it for her college roommates and they devoured it. No fancy ingredients, just comfort food done right. Welcome to New South Table. I'm Melissa, and I'm glad you're here. My Carolina roots run deep from farm life to church suppers. I cook bold and simple, just like the Southern women before me. Now I'm sharing it from the beautiful South Carolina coast. Hit subscribe and pull up a seat. This is what you'll need. I'm starting with 2 pounds of ground beef. Then I'm using dried beefy onion soup mix, 1 sleeve of saltine crackers, 1 small can of tomato sauce. Your favorite brand is fine. Inside the meatloaf, you'll use about 1/4 cup of ketchup and 1 egg. You'll also need another 1/2 cup of ketchup to go on top. To the 2 pounds of ground beef, we'll beat the egg and add it to the bowl. Then we'll go in with the rest of the ingredients. The tomato sauce, 1/4 cup of ketchup. Yes, all that's going inside the meatloaf. Then I'll add the dry soup mix, both packs. I'm using 1 sleeve of saltine crackers, and I'm being a little lazy here and crushing mine right inside the sleeve. You can crush yours finer if you like, but I prefer some bigger pieces in the mix for texture, and you'll add those right into the bowl. Add a dash of black pepper, then you'll give it all a good stir. You might need to go in with very clean hands to really bring it all together and mix everything until it's combined, but don't overwork it or it will get tough. Then you'll transfer it to a loaf pan that's been sprayed with cooking spray so it won't stick. Then take the 1/2 cup or a little more of ketchup and spread it over the top. That's going to give us that beautiful sweet glaze as it bakes. I bake this on 350 degrees for about an hour. Just make sure the inside is fully cooked before pulling it out, and look at that glaze. It's so moist, it's flavorful, and it's no fuss at all, just the way my mama made it. Thanks for hanging out in the kitchen with me today. If you love an easy Southern supper, go ahead and like this video, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your go-to comfort food recipe. I'll see y'all next time.